Be a trendsetter, be automatic. Get into the Honda Beat, as Honda Philippines Incorporated recently unveiled its first automatic model produced here in the Philippines. The all-new Honda Beat is a true benchmark in its class, with its excellent and unique safety features, including the Combi Brake System, or CBS, developed exclusively by Honda, allowing the rider to activate both front and rear brakes by using the left brake lever only, resulting to a safer and shorter stopping distance. The new Honda Beat also has a brake lock or parking brake, which prevents the bike from rolling when parked on sloping roads. And it also has a side stand switch that automatically stops the engine when the side stand is in use.
Alright guys, we are here at SM North EDSA for the Honda Beat Mall Tour 2009. And right here beside me is Mr. Elmer Owane, the PR manager for Honda Motorcycles. Hello, sir.
Yes, good afternoon.
Sir, can you tell us about the all-new Honda Beat?
The Honda Beat is our entry model. First fully automatic motorcycle that produced by Honda Philippines. Now, compared to other motorcycles, fully automatic, this is packed with a lot of features. No, this is only the fully automatic motorcycle that has the Combi Brake System or CBS. For scooters, if you press the right-hand lever, gumakagat lang yung front brake niya. And then yung left hand, yung rear brake naman. Ang kagandahan nitong Beat, no, you don't have to squeeze both when you would like, pag mahinto ka. Ito lang, ang squeeze mo, both the front and the rear brake system is activated already. So, you can stop at a much shorter distance than using either left only or right only for ordinary fully automatic motorcycles. So this is the advantage of the Beat. There are two other very good features, no? We have the side stand switch. If your side stand switch is engaged, yung motorcycle mo cannot be activated, no? So, may mga nagmumotorsiklo dyan, nagmamadali, tatakbo yung motorsiklo, naka-side stand switch. That's not safe. But with the Beat, kahit yan nakaganyan, di under motorsiklo mo kasi naka-off yung switch. Aside from that, we also have a brake lock. Pag yung kotse, meron kang parking brake. Especially when you park in sloping roads, for example. So, this is how the brake lock works, no? You squeeze your left brake lever. Saka itong lever na to, i-call mo siya push upwards, and then naka-brake lock na, activated na brake lock system niya. If you try to move the rear wheel, hindi siya gagalaw. So, ideal to when you're parking in sloping roads, no? So, hindi ka matutumba-tumba ganyan kasi pag sinecure mo na yon, pwede ka nang bumaba ng motorsiklo. So to release the brake lock, ang gagawin mo lang, you just squeeze the left hand brake lever. Wala na naman siya. So those are the three basic safety features of Honda Beat which you cannot find in other motorcycles. So the Honda Beat comes in two variants. Yung alloy wheels na may combi brake system and the spoke variant na walang combi brake system. But both variants has this side stand switch and also the brake lock features. Now, we're introducing this for the first time in the Philippines at a very affordable price. The alloy wheel with the combi brake system sells for 69,900, but that's introductory price. By April 1, it's gonna increase by 2,000, so 71,900. On the other hand, the spoke also is on introductory price until March 31. It sells for 61,500. But after that, tataas din yan. It will become 63,500. But in April, for you riders na gustong bumili ng alloy type, no? If you buy this starting April 1, you get a free riding course worth 2,000 pesos at the Honda Safety Driving Center.
Why don't you invite the delegates?
So we'd like to invite especially the fully automatic riders to check on the new model of Honda, the Honda Beat.
Get into the Honda Beat. Sakay na sa buhay Honda.
Ito na ang pinakaastig na automatic motorcycle model sa ngayon nagmumula ito sa pinakaastig na motorcycle brand. Kaya mga kabak rider, sakay na sa buhay Honda. Dito lang sa numero 1 rider sa buhay mo. Sakay na sa Stoplight TV.